Michigan GOP lawmaker punished for not denouncing violence. A Republican state lawmaker in Michigan has been disciplined for not denouncing potential violence at the Michigan Capitol before Democratic presidential electors are to meet to vote for Joe Biden, who won the state over President Donald Trump. A Republican lawmaker was disciplined Monday for not denouncing potential violence at the Michigan Capitol before Democratic presidential electors were to meet to vote for Joe Biden, who defeated President Donald Trump in the swing state. State Representative Gary Eisen of St. Clair Township told WPHM-AM that he planned to help with an unspecified Hail Mary GOP plan to challenge the election, conceding that the uncharted action likely would not change the result. Asked if he could guarantee people's safety, he said no. House Speaker Lee Chatfield and Speaker-elect Jason Wentworth, both Republicans, removed Eisen from committees in the closing days of the two-year session. In a statement, they said threats or suggestions of violence in politics are never acceptable, including when the public officials open the door to violent behavior and refuse to condemn it. We must do better. The 16 electors and top Democratic state officials such as Governor Gretchen Whitmer were scheduled to gather in the state Senate chamber Monday afternoon. The Capitol was closed to the public due to coronavirus restrictions because neither the House nor Senate were in session, though some Republicans, including Eisen, were critical of the closure on the day of the Electoral College meeting. Legislative offices in the State House and nearby buildings also were closed due to credible threats of violence, a Senate spokeswoman said. Eisen was among 15 Republican legislators and 4 GOP congressmen in Michigan who signed onto a Texas lawsuit asking the U.S. Supreme Court to set aside votes in 4 states due to baseless claims of widespread fraud, including in Michigan. The court dismissed the case. Michigan's Republican legislative leaders have said the legislature followed state law in not overturning Biden's 154,000-vote victory in the state, a margin of 2.8 percentage points. Eisen, a first-term legislator, issued a statement saying he regretted confusion over his remarks and no longer planned to go to the Capitol with a group that supports an alternative slate of GOP electors. I wanted to attend today's event to help prevent violence, not promote it, he said. My comments were meant to reflect that while our group intends to be peaceful, I did not feel I could speak for other groups. Apparently some people are making credible threats of violence today, and I am glad local law enforcement is on the scene preventing any such action and keeping everyone safe. Legal experts said there is no legal way to back alternative electors under state and federal law because Michigan certified the results 2 weeks ago.